Hi, this is Pam from the Birch Cottage blog. In this video tutorial, I'd like to show you how to add or upload SVG files into the Mug Design Setup project file that you will find in Cricut Design Space. The first thing that you will want to do if you haven't done so already is to open up Cricut Design Space. Then you will want to locate the Mug Design Setup file. Specify the finished size of your mug and then click on Customize. This will load the Mug Design Setup project file into Design Space. Now you're ready to upload your image. Click on Upload, Upload Image, and then browse to locate the image that you want to upload. In my case, I'm uploading an SVG file. You can only upload one SVG file at a time, just keep that in mind. And here I have my number one dad SVG file. I'm going to add tags. I can also change the name of the image if I want to at this time. And when I'm ready, I'm just going to update that. Then I will click on the file I just uploaded and click on Insert Image. Of course, I'm going to need to rescale that image. You can use the arrows to drag it down to size, and then use the template. The little red guides are included to be guides to help you line your design up. So you can use the arrows, like I said, to resize it. You can type in the width or height or whatever you want it to be. And in my case, I'm going to duplicate my image because I want the front and the back of the image to both say, or front and back of my mug to both say number one dad. So I'll get them all lined up just the way I want them. And did you notice that I clicked on both images, number one dad, both of them, and then I clicked on align to align the top, the bottom, or somehow align my images so that they're the same on both sides of my mug. Here you go, I'm going to align. Everything looks good to me. It looks centered with those red guidelines. I'm going to hide those. I'm going to hide the green rectangle, and then I'm going to select all the layers and click on Attach. And then I'm ready to make it. So I can see my design laid out on the mat in my preview. I can move it around if I need to. And don't forget to mirror your image. When you're working with infusible transfer sheets, you do need to mirror your image. There, I finally remembered, and then I'll just continue to make it. Follow the prompts on Design Space, and here's my finished mug. Thank you for watching my video on how to upload an SVG file into the existing Cricut Mug Design Setup project file. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, be sure to like it below and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be the first to know when I have updates.